What's up, everybody? This is your friendly neighborhood techie, BlueKit22, and first off, an announcement. As you can see on my main channel, this channel, and of course my gaming channel, along with my Discord servers, of course, and my Discord profile, a large update has come. The names have changed, the icons have changed, the headers have changed, everything has changed. So this channel is now known as BlueKit22. But my gaming channel is now known as BlueKit Gaming 22. And similar names have been given to my servers that are tied to these channels. And my Discord account also has been named that way to kind of be a part of the whole BlueKit family thing. So yeah, with that said, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Tap the bell icon, select all videos to be notified each time I upload a new video. With that said, let's get into today's video. Since the release of the new update, YouTube has become hard to use, especially to view certain things such as your subscribers, your subscriptions, and all that stuff. And I'm sure a lot of you people are wondering, how can you view your subscribers, basically the people that have subscribed to your channel, the list of these people, how can you view it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on mobile device. However, you can actually do the same on laptops, desktops, tablets, and everywhere else. The process is more or less the same. So let's begin. So first off, head over to any browser on your device. The thing here is that the YouTube app doesn't allow these kind of things to happen. You won't be able to view your subscriber lists or any of that information on Discord. YouTube app. Sorry about the Discord thing. I'm planning on recording a Discord video later on today or maybe tomorrow, and that kind of got in the way there. Sorry about that. So let's just open this. So yeah, YouTube app won't let you view these things like YouTube subscribers and edit your videos or view video stats and stuff. It's kind of annoying now that I can't, view that on my app. But if you head over to the browser, the web version, then you can view all of it and more. So let's go. Let's go to YouTube version. Now the next step is to set your browser into this web page into computer mode, like desktop mode, which you can do by clicking on these three dots here. It's the same both for Opera browsers and Chrome browsers on mobile. And then, as you can see here, is desktop site. Just toggle that on and it's going to reload the site automatically. And now it's reloading. Although I would like to put a notice out here, because sometimes it's kind of difficult to get the desktop version working. I've seen people having a struggle with that, so if you do have a struggle, just try to reload the page, try to use another browser, just see what you can do about it. I'm not an expert on that. Now the next thing you want to do is the next thing you want to do is head over to the top of your web page and find the icon, which is this one for me. What? Oh yeah, it loads. Oh, sorry about that. It kind of messes up here. The phone is freaking not responsive today. Okay, now it's supposed to be. Now, once you go to the top right corner of your YouTube website and tap your icon, channel icon, select Creator Studio and allow your YouTube to load in the studio. The next thing will be to find a certain place where you can view these things. There is quite a lot you can do on the web version of the YouTube, although I have to warn you that the upload speed of videos and stuff like that is horrible, and you might need to actually reset your upload because your phone might crash, might black out or whatnot. I've been uploading videos only through browser and it's been horrible. So now that we're in the browser, as you can see, there are a little bit of information here about my videos, like published videos here. Then there's like latest video performance and other things, channel, current subscribers and everything, and ideas from YouTube known issues, revenue data delayed, shit. Oh well. So once you're on the channel dashboard, you'll see all this stuff here, and here at the bottom, as you can see, is a tab called Recent Subscribers, and that's where you can view your subscribers, but only not only the recent ones. You can view others as well. You can review them all. I'll show you how. First tap See All, which is at the bottom, and then you'll see this window come up. Hold on, I'm just gonna do that. Now what you can do here is select, from up here, you select the length in which you want to see, like the subscribers, either for a year, for 90 days, 28 days, or 7 days, or lifetime. If you tap lifetime, you'll be able to see all your subscribers, completely all of them. Although for me, on this channel, as you can see, as you can see, it only shows 3 subscribers, although I have 10 subscribers here. I switched to my other channel because on the gaming channel, it didn't show any recent subscribers tab, which got me confused, and so I also paused the video. So that's basically how you view your YouTube subscriber list. I'm pretty sure that the fact that not all the subscribers show up here is a bug. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next video, and peace out.